So this is about Bank Nifty option chain analysis. Using this you can get information about where is support, where is resistance and all. So you can Google it as Bank Nifty option chain analysis. Otherwise you can directly visit the NSE website. So directly it will be open. Nifty by default it will open. You can select from this Bank Nifty. So I think presently it is trading around 21,034. See call side, next strong resistance at 21,500, 22,000. That means people are expecting that the Bank Nifty should not go beyond this. So if it come to this 21,500 or 22,000, there will be selling pressure. That means the big player they try to make the market down. So Bank Nifty, so the people who are having shares of the banks, they'll try to sell at these positions. So when it reaching 21,500 or 22,000, they'll try to influence the market. But sometimes it will not work. You can just take it for information purpose only, because if some good news comes from the PM or FM, Prime Minister, Finance Minister, that time suddenly it will go up without any these kind of things. It doesn't work. Resistance support. So generally call means it will increase, but this is call writing. That means they sold calls at these positions. This is call. See here, calls. This side puts. This will act as support. See, small support, weak support is at 21,000. Strong support is at 20,000, 20,500, 19,500, 19,000. So you have to check in the live market, because it may change at any moment. You should be observing this. So this kind of thing you can use for shares also. Shares, different stocks. See, if you search here, see for example Reliance Industries. So go, if you click go, yeah, it has come. You need to select this. I think some network issue. Yeah, it has come. See, generally for companies, shares, stocks and all, expiry will be Thursday, last Thursday of the month. For Bank Nifty it is every week, every Thursday it will expire. So this expiry is for 25th June. So I think presently it is trading around 1,580 something. So immediate resistance at 1600 and next resistance is at 1700. Support is at 1560, 1540. Strong support is at 1500. See, that means it can go, the range is from 1500 to 1700. So this you can use and you can check in the live market also. So generally you can use it for Bank Nifty in the option chain. Most of the people make lot of money from Bank Nifty and Nifty only, because on Thursday or any day 500 price can become 0, 500 premium. So each call, if you see here, see here 19,500 approximately, it is trading around 658. Within one day it can become 20 rupees or 100 rupees also. So if you are on sale side, it can be this side. So at the same time it can increase to 1000 also. So high risk and high return. You keep on observing in the live market, even you can see the change in open interest. See this and all support resistance I told, right? That is open interest, that many positions are there. So you need to observe change in open interest also. So the second one, this side also there. So this is for just for information purpose. Sometimes it will be giving fake signals, because there are many people who are doing for speculation purpose only. That means they will not be able to influence the market. So that kind of people are also placing sell orders and buy orders, put writers and call writers. So that time this open interest position, it may not work. So generally you can just observe for getting some idea, that's all. So now the present market is highly volatile, so this can break either side, so this may not work, but something is better than nothing, right? You can see, so their resistance is there. So even market is going up or down or reverse order, so it can fall 300 or 400, again it will increase by 100 points. So that kind of thing will be there. So you can use it for bank nifty, any share. So earlier in previous videos I have given some MACD, RSI, anything super trend, that you can use it for shares also. When you are doing trading in intraday, you can trade through the technical indicators like MACD, super trend. So that will give some accuracy. Sometimes it may not give, but something is better than nothing, so it may work.